ka guys. Jorayle. Volcanos ka buhi. Importante buhi.
So hi guys! So right now, we want to unwind. So we're here at Tigbawan. And guess what? We're in Tigbawan. So let's ask them. So guys, where are we?
Solimar Eco Farm.
Nag-aabot? Ay, nalataw ka mo? No? So guys, we're walking na pasulod. Kita nyo. Hi guys, pasulod na kami. Okay guys, we're taking some pictures anay before kayo maglibot-libot. So there's Van, bago lang siya yaabot. So guys, here na kami. Ari na si Van, of course. We're waiting for our order na lang. May eat kami anay. Yeah, brunch itan pa lang. So guys, our food is here na. Finally.
Mga 10 over 10.
Okay. Rate the food.
9 over 10.
Ikaw, Van?
10 over 10.
John?
10 over 10 ah.
Ooh. Kanding. Rate the food. Ako? Yes. On 10 out of 10. You, Chan? 9. How about you? How about you, Jace? 9. Okay. Here's our free guava. Thank you! So right now, libutan na naman ng place. Kay very, gadyataan, as in very peaceful bala ang place, guys. So, since tapos naman kami eat, is malibot-libot na lang kami. Then after that, ma-play lang kami sa Twitter there, then we're going home.
Tira Raza kami gila guys ah.
Yes, it's Tira Raza. Sin pa kita makadto?
To the forest.
Gusto nyo ganyang mga scary? Yes. Go guys! Ikaw?
Aray kami sa
Ay,
Eco
ma.
Farm.
If you're finding a place to relax, clear your mind, spend time with your family, friends, or even your partner, to escape reality and to enjoy nature, and lastly, a place to relax, then Solimar Eco Farm is the perfect place to visit. They offer a lot of delicious food and good customer service. Really enjoy staying here. What are you waiting for? Visit the Solimar Eco Farm. So guys, pag lang kami tapos libot, ang huway-huway na kami. So guys, gipanyamos na kami. Okay, mapuli na kami. Okay, mapuli na kami. Let's go.
Uy, ana. Nag-enjoy kami guys ah.
Enjoy ka?
Sa ibig pala guys ah. Sa bridge.
Na-wait na lang na muna ang mama ni Van. Hey guys, mapuli na kami.
No, me.